By 10 minutes they held the
What up, dude? Just woke up, taking a video, obviously. What else would I do? Sexy. Beautiful day.
I got the bike all strapped up again. I can get a hang. I got you fucking good.
Thank you, dude. Appreciate that.
After I got my bike strapped up. Get dirty.
I'm with you. You alright? Autocrossing. Get slippery. Alright, Dallas? On the front.
I got it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. If you ever do a trip like this, and you find a detour you can take it. It's gonna be awesome.
Take it.
These trees are in the way. How was the day?
Fantastic.
Yeah. Tiring.
Fantastic. We're recouping now.
We had a detour off of the road was closed, and we found ourselves something bow? Medicine Bow National Forest. Single tracking it basically.
Antelopes just running around.
Antelopes. Water crossings. Those are fun. We both went down for the first time. Yeah. Now we're just trying to figure out how we're going to spend the rest of the day and where we're going to sleep, so we don't end up in another fucking RV park.
I'm watching this triangle, that's kind of cool. Nice. I got oh. This is our road. This is a waterfall. And that's how you do a river crossing or water crossing. Let's call this a river. You have no confidence in your water crossing. That was so cool. That was so much fun.